Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing the recipe of puff pastry tartlets. Little cute bite-sized puff pastry tartlets. You can fill them with chicken, mincemeat or your leftover dinner. Finish off with your favorite topping or let your guests use their own. For this recipe, things you need will be some puff pastry sheets. Then today I'll be using my leftover keema. As I said, you can use anything. You can use a taco filling or any leftover dinner. Some oil spray. I'll be using cheddar and mozzarella cheese for this, and mini muffin pans. So first roll the sheet on a flour surface, flatten it out, and then with the help of pizza cutter or if you have a pastry cutter, cut the sheet into 24 little pieces. Now pick up each square and press that into greased mini muffin cups. Then take a teaspoon of filling and fill each cup with your filling. And then bake them for 10 minutes or until lightly browned. Then take it out, put it on the wire rack. I sprinkle the cheese first and then put them in the oven for 1 minute, but you can totally skip that step because cheese will melt automatically anyways. And then just sprinkle your favorite topping. Today I was using some chopped tomato and some chopped lettuce. You can use olives or avocados as well. So my bite-sized puff pastry tartlets are ready to eat. Few of them are without topping. These are for my girls so they can use their own or munch them as it is. Ramadan are around the corner and this recipe could be a great addition to your iftar table. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any recipe or update.